CO2 laser?
It is. Yes, it is.
Nice. So how does it know where to start the
majority of the time process? You can start it where you want within the given area that you have to work with. It's 20 by 12 inches.
Yeah.
So given the software that we have in here,
sure,
it'll know it won't proceed its boundaries.
Got it.
You're very welcome.
So I could just throw, let's just say I throw a business card in there.
Sure.
How will it know where it is?
Just like that. You're going to manually tell it where to fire. So if I needed to, I have got a design up right now.
Okay.
I want to make sure that I'm going to etch on the business card.
Okay.
I don't want to exceed my boundaries. I'll do my perimeter check function right here.
Okay. So that's what it knows, the maximum size.
It knows exactly its limitations right there. So
okay.
Okay, that's exactly where I want it to be. I'll set my settings and press play. So we'll go ahead and start.
I love CO2 lasers, man. I love them. No, I want one. I mean, I've been wanting one for years now.
Well, this one, I don't know if you heard when I was talking to the other gentleman, this one's very affordable actually, $3,500.
$3,500.
Yeah.
You guys are based here, right?
Yeah, Las Vegas, that's correct.
Because I've actually looked up your scanners online.
Oh,
that's why full spectrum, yeah.
Yeah.
You guys had like a lifetime replacement on your tubes and things like that?
Well, it's a, you can win free tubes.
Win free tubes.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Which essentially, if you win, then yes, you're getting free tubes for life.
oh, got it. But during the warranty period?
During the warranty period, yeah. There's a certain warranty on the tubes. The tubes and the lens we consider consumables.
Yeah,
so they'll be under warranty for a certain period. I mean, on all the equipment that we sell, with the exception of the 3D printer, we have a year warranty on all the products.
Oh, so you guys have 3D printers now too?
This is our newest product. We actually just came out with this year.
Tell me more about that.
So it's an SLA style 3D printer.
Okay, great.
We've created our own resin, our own liquid resin. Basically just following, I guess, the other methods of the SLA market. But right now, with this one, you have a 7x7 by 8.5 inch work area.
7x7 by 8. Okay.
So fairly large. Do you want to come over and take a look at it?
Yeah, let's go.
So what sets this one aside from your average SLA style printers is that our vat that we hold our liquid resin is without PDMS layering. So this plastic material down here that we use to hold it and that the laser shining through it's never going to fade.
It's never going to fade.
It's never going to fade. You're never going to have to recoat it.
Okay.
Eventually, you will need to replace it. You know, it's fairly flimsy, or not flimsy, but it's only so durable.
Right.
But you don't have to worry about I've only got 2,000 layers that I can shine through on one area before needing to transition to another spot. You can print all over as many times as you need to. As long as you take care of this material, you'll use it for forever.
So if I needed to replace this, so will I ever need to replace it?
Eventually you might. Just like the lenses in our lasers, you know, if they get scratched, they get dirty, or something happens to them, you're going to need to replace them.
How much does that run for?
I believe that they're 75.
75, okay, for this tray mechanism.
That is correct.
I see. Wow.
So it's not too bad, but I mean these last so much longer than anything that has PDMS on it.
So how does it compare with the Form 1? Because the Form 1 has you have to replace the container.
Well, if it's a unit that has the PDMS layering on it, eventually it fades. So that's your limitation right there. But also the transparency on this has allowed us to move a little bit faster. Has allowed us to speed up our Z height. So the time it took usually between layer sections doesn't last as long. We get to run the laser a little bit more powerful without the worry of anything clouding up or caking, because that side effect is gone now. So now we can scan, lift, scan, lift, scan, lift, scan.
Got it.
With a little bit more ease.
How much does this unit run for?
$27.50.
$27.50. Okay. Competitively priced.
Absolutely.
And you said you developed your own resins?
Yes, we did.
For this is UV protected, I'm assuming? Okay.
Both inside and out, of course.
So do you have your own software to support and slice the file?
Yes, we do. Right now, you can operate off the touch panel here. If you were to load some files, you can go to your job file settings. Right now, we have the Eiffel Tower loaded. So if I didn't want to load that, if I had a different file on there, I can select through which ones I want. It'll detail how long it's going to take, how much resin is going to be used, and you can pre-fill it. Once everything's set, go ahead and press play and let it run.
Right.
If you need to utilize the software, you'll use our software called Retina Create. Retina creates the slicer. You can auto support generate. You can auto base generate. You can hollow or shell the object if necessary.
Okay.
Basic functions of the slicer, but it's all one package.
So you guys are a manufacturer and distributor?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Sole source of our own products.
Right, understood. Cool. So this, then you have that. That's a more affordable system.
Absolutely.
That's I guess you can do a lot of things with that. You can engrave and you can cut with it as well.
You can engrave and cut. The 40 watt power that we've equipped it with will allow you to get up to about quarter inch.
A quarter inch
acrylics, similar density, less dense materials, easier to work with, less dense, softer woods at a quarter inch will allow you. Plywood's a little finicky from time to time.
But you can engrave on it, of course.
Oh yeah, you can engrave on it.
All day long.
Engraving will actually grant you more access to material than cutting will.
Got it,
You can engrave on stone, like granite. You can engrave on glass. Certain metals that are coated. No bare metal, but you can engrave on coated metals.
Coated metals, yeah. So like powder coat, you can engrave on.
It'll remove the powder coating.
It'll remove that powder. Okay.
Anodized aluminum is a very popular one to use. It bleaches out the anodizing on the surface, which is really nice.
Okay.
But yeah, engraving leaves you open to more options. Cutting is more of your organics and some man-made materials. So. Rubber's pretty hard to work with.
I see. Now, what's this thing on this purifier?
Yeah, this is we work with Purex as our purification systems.
Okay.
So we have many different models supplied by Purex. We're just advertising and using one of their models for our needs here.
Got it. All right. Sounds good. I appreciate your time, Lane.
If you would like to take my card, if you have any other questions or anything, feel free.
Appreciate it.